Hello people of YouTube, welcome back to another video where today we will be changing out the starter on this 19.5 horsepower turbo cooled opposed twin Briggs and Stratton. So we need to get off these two bolts here, two bolts down there. There's going to be a bolt in the front there, bolts in the back, and on the other side, two bolts on the top, two bolts on the bottom, one bolt in the front, and three bolts in the back, two for the dipstick. You're going to need two socks for that, 5/16 and a 3/8. Alright, got all the bolts out. This is what we're after here. So you see the gear there is all ground off. Now normally you can just replace the appendix is what it's called. The gear there, but my starter was already grinding. You might be able to see it. There's a little bit of play. You can probably hear it. And the bearing. So the bearing is bad. So these bolts on the top, there's one here and one all the way behind there underneath the flywheel. These bolts are a 1/2 inch. Alright, so the other bolt is back there underneath the flywheel. Okay, so I got the bolt all the way out. I'm gonna come in here with a smaller wrench. This one is a 10mm wrench. We're gonna push it right there like that. And one-handed, move the starter a little bit. And here it comes. Just going to take that bolt out so it doesn't snag on anything. Oh. Well, the only thing you have to do is disconnect that wire right there. Probably it'd be easier to do it first. Here is the new one. I got a genuine one from Briggs and Stratton. I got it off of Amazon. I'll put it in the description. Ugh. The old one, and the new one. So you're gonna want to count the teeth on the appendix. Make sure that they are both the same size. These are both 18. So you want to put the back bolt in first. And this little metal piece slides into the side of the starter here. So before you get the rear bolt completely tight, put this one down. This one in and get it tight. Okay. Now we can go in there, 1/2 inch, and tighten the bolt in the rear. So down here, there's a stud going into the side of the starter. And this is where the wire is going to connect to for ignition. The wire comes off the solenoid. You want to get it fairly tight, but not too tight. So this is why the gear here, the appendix, went bad. See all that play in the bearing? You can probably hear it. It moved away from the flywheel and wasn't making enough contact, and it shredded the teeth right off it. Alright guys, I've not tried to start it yet. I just pushed it out here in front of the garage, and it's going to be a little bit of a cold start. It's 34 out right now, and it's been down to into the teens at night. So, and it's in the garage. The garage is not heated. Alright, so I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment below. I'll try to answer. And thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.